You might be confused as me with so many ACF to choose from. In this video, I will talk about the secrets of choosing the right ACF. First, let's look at the naming. For this one, well, we can divide the name into three parts. First part means the model. If looked through a microscope, we will see the differences between them. Usually 7813 is the universal model that fits for most screens. Second part means the width of the tape. Usually 1.2mm width is universal model for different screens, flex cables. Different models are designed for different screens. You can pause the video to save this chart for check. Third part means the length of the ACF tape. The duration of a typical tape is 1 year. If you need to do over 10 to 20 PCS flex cable per day, 50 meter is better considering the shipping and convenience. But if you are new to flex bonding and you don't know how many flex cables you will do, choose smaller scale will be a better choice. Especially if you are in the hot weather zone, smaller scale is more convenient for storage. As for the storage, just make sure you put it back to the freezer after using it. Everything will be fine. That's all information and tips about how to choose the best ACF and how to keep it. If you still have questions, welcome to share your ideas in the comment area. Stay tuned. See you next time.